Do you know many people are having trouble with sending scans from their Canon TX-3200? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Remote UI. Access the printer's Remote UI by entering its IP address in a browser. Step 2. Enable FTP. In the Remote UI, navigate to Launch Settings and Enable FTP with authentication. Step 3. Set up folder path. On the printer panel, set up the folder path for FTP under Direct Print Settings. Step 4. Configure scan. Load the document to scan, select Scan and Send, and configure FTP as the destination. Step 5. Start scanning. Choose the file format and resolution, start scanning, then send the file to your PC. With these steps, you should now be able to send scans directly from your Canon printer to your Windows 11 computer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.